My name is Harry Lucas. I am one of the directors at Seer Insights Group, which is a company developing software for the agricultural industry. I'm primarily technical development at Seer Insights, so I'm a programmer and I also manage technical operations and projects. So what we do is we develop software which improves the supply chain in improves supply chains in agricultural companies. So particularly in the wine industry, we've developed some software which optimizes processes and improves the efficiency of food production. As a kid, I was the kind of kid that used to run around with a toolkit, and I used to follow my dad around trying to fix things in the house. That kind of instilled a curiosity into me. And as I got older, I started playing with computers, and I learned to program at a fairly young age. I think I was about 9 or 10 years old. It sort of led me into where I am today, which is I'm very driven by curiosity and pushing the boundaries, doing things that haven't been done before. It's what interests me and it's my passion. Writing code was a fantastic outlet for that. Computer science in particular, the most exciting area that I'd see coming out is machine learning, artificial intelligence, those fields, because the potential of them is incredible. We can go out into industry and tell them, start modeling processes and things that even humans aren't able to model in their own minds, and it's quite incredible what's possible now. Having said that, I think even more exciting is the possibilities that exist for computer science applications in other fields, because computer science can augment other fields so much. If you're the kind of person that wants to take that to other industries, then I think you're in an exciting place. I'd say just do it. If you want to get into computer science and digital tech, you should just do it. There's nothing to be lost through doing it. The skills that you develop have applications in so many different fields that even if you decide that you don't want to go down a pure computer science and digital tech role, you'll still have a use for those skills. If you're a woman trying to get into computer science, I'd say once again, get into the field. I actually tutor first year engineering, and one of the problems we find is that there's a huge imbalance between males and females. We have a tremendous number of males coming through in mechanical engineering, and few females, and you can see that's beginning to change. I think it's the more women we can get in, the more balanced the field will become. I think it's women have a different way of thinking with regards to some of these problems, and I think they add a whole new dimension to the field, which is important to have. Yeah, I'm like a big kid. There you go. The interesting and surprising thing about myself is I'm like a big kid. I suppose on paper I would probably look like a really nerdy, geeky person, and I probably am deep down. But I think that I consider myself to be just a big kid. I look back on my years in high school, and I'm still the same person I always was back then. You build knowledge, you accumulate knowledge, and you used to start applying it into these different fields, and it becomes like working with agricultural companies is like playing with Lego. Ultimately, the best thing you could do is just get out there and give it a crack and see what happens. You always surprise yourself. If you're open to opportunities, then it's limitless what could happen. It could be exactly what you're hoping for, or something even better that you hadn't imagined. Just by beginning that journey, as long as you're walking, you'll end up where you need to be. Yeah.